Learn kitchen tools in Arabic with quiz test.
Question 1. Which of the following is
صحن.
it plate or is it cup? Answer plate. That's correct. Well done. You're off to a great start. Question 2. Which of the following is
ملعقة.
it spoon or is it knife? Answer spoon. That's correct. Great job. You're doing fantastic. Keep going. Question 3. Which of the following is sakeen? Is it knife or is it plate? Answer knife. Spot on. Excellent work. Question 4. Which of the following is shoka? Is it fork or is it ladle? Fork. Brilliant. You're on fire. Great job.
Test your understanding with the free online quiz, link in the description. Watch more vocab videos with attached exercises for free. Until next time, take care and keep learning.